Zara.
What?
Why are you crying, babe?
I don't want them to talk about it.
Don't want them to talk about what, boo?
I just don't want
What are they talking about?
I just don't want them to talk about
Well, you don't want to talk about what?
it.
What are you Why are you crying? Talk about what, boo?
Getting rid of people.
Getting rid of people? Like who?
I don't know.
I
don't know.
Who are you upset about?
The person who said to get rid of it.
Get rid of who?
The people on Sesame Street.
That's not right, is it? What do you think about that man that said he would get rid of Big Bird?
I don't know.
You don't know? Why would he say something like that?
I don't know why he says something like that.
Feel better?
Uh-huh.
Okay.